In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Apple Maps the go-to navigation app on your iPhone. You've probably noticed that Apple Maps is already the default navigation app on your iPhone, so technically you're already set up. However, if you're like many of us, you might have a few other mapping apps installed such as Google Maps or Waze. These apps can sometimes override your preference by being selected within specific third-party apps. So today, we're ensuring that Apple Maps runs the show when it comes to your navigation needs. First things first, since Apple Maps is preset as the default on all iPhones, we just need to make sure nothing else is getting in the way. If you happen to have other navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze installed, we need to address that. What you'll want to do is uninstall or offload these other apps to prevent any accidental override. This can be a simple yet effective way to ensure that your iPhone remains loyal to Apple Maps when you need it most. Now, you may be wondering if there's a special setting somewhere tucked away in your iPhone's system settings where you can declare Apple Maps as your default once and for all. Here's the catch: there isn't. Apple has designed iOS to automatically use Apple Maps unless you've actively chosen another app within third-party apps that have navigation capabilities, like certain ride-sharing or delivery apps. This means that if you don't do anything, Apple Maps is already your default app for mapping and navigation tasks. As you explore different apps on your iPhone, you might find that some third-party apps can suggest directions using their preferred map services. Take this as an opportunity to double-check if you're manually selecting another option besides Apple Maps so you can revert back if necessary. Remember, within most apps there is usually a setting where you can choose your preferred map service, typically found in the app settings under navigation preferences or directions. In summary, while the iPhone does its part by setting Apple Maps as the default for you, managing your other installed apps and their settings ensures seamless navigation exclusively through Apple Maps. This way, your phone directs your journeys just the way Apple intended. Thanks for tuning in and making sure your navigation experience is streamlined. If you have more questions or need assistance with other Apple tips, be sure to check out our other videos. Happy navigating!